My name is Jan Hendzel and I am the creative director of Jan Hendzel Studio. I run a furniture design practice and workshop in South East London. The Jan Hendzel Studio DNA is about keeping it fresh and fun. We're a studio full of enthusiasm, energy, experimentation, and we're well known for our technical finesse. Being sustainable is at the very core of what we do. We source our materials from local suppliers using managed forestry here within the UK. The pieces crafted for brands use beautiful hand-turned ash to create timber bases to complement the incredible full-flavoured tabletops of Robin Grasbury. We're dedicated to creating products that underpin the ideas of sustainability. Our sustainable approach on a project has been to select timbers taken from continuous cover forestry here within the UK, which means that the timbers have been managed from forestry in such a way as to enhance and preserve the biodiversity of the woodlands.